Got my man Trey up in the house. What up? Ooh. What up, my brother?
Good, man. You straight?
Yeah, man. Good to see you. Hello, my sis.
I'm looking at you. Looking around the things.
And you know what's so funny?
He making me cold.
Right. So we all started off looking real gangster. Then about 40, 60 miles in, everybody was like, everybody was all stressed out. We were gangster. We were gangster. Everybody had their feet up. Everybody was like, yeah.
Y'all start getting tighter. Trying to get that heat from that engine, bro.
I got tight. I got tight.
Yo, bro. I'm Master B. I'm like, babe, you all right? Yeah, I'm good. I'm sitting there.
I can tell. Yo, I can tell you was talking. I was talking.
She look real relaxed.
And she looked like she was
real easy. Like,
Yo, that temperature dropped. You hear me? It dropped. Fingertips gone, kneecaps gone, nutsack's gone, everything gone. You know how you go. You know how you go to the swimming pool and enjoy the shrink up like a raisinette. That's how I feel. We had a good time kicking it. We stayed for like about a good 15 minutes because we are early. We have some good time. We're gonna get there in another hour, 2 minutes, and that's it, man. I'm enjoying every day, man. The journey right now is dope. Like I was telling y'all, it was cold this morning, but the sun is not coming down, which I'm happy about. It's coming out, which means it's warmer, but it was brick this morning, man. Now I know you guys hear me talk a lot about group riding and how much I love solo riding, but you also hear me say I love group riding as well, right? Well, today's a prime example as to why I love the group riding. Because we were able to stop and just crack jokes and talk about the cold fingertips, and I'm getting a chance to watch everybody riding. And I got two people here who I've never ridden with ever, and got ripping on tools, got his wife, and then got his buddy Rob. And I'm watching the line get tighter and tighter as we ride, and watching the level of comfortability increase, which gives me the opportunity to do my job, to block traffic when needed, and to know that they are knowing what is coming. They learn hand signals, they're understanding, and they're moving steady. So, and you know, the energy is amazing, right? You got a bunch of people, there's 6 of us, no ego, no none of that, just riding, not going crazy, not trying to overdo anybody, not trying to show, hey, look what I got, look what I do. You know what I'm saying? And that's the key. So group riding has its perks, right? Especially riding out to this event. I mean, honestly, there's some days I do like to ride by myself. Some days I don't. Some days I want to ride with my peoples. I got my man, young cuz up the top. I got up the front. I got up top up there. You know, my club brothers as well. So it's 3 of us from the club and 3 people from no club. And it shows you that we can all collectively get together. You see what I'm saying? So it's all about that love, baby. All about that love, man. Bootleg Harley Davidson. So we made it to the destination. Nice ride. double record. Double record. Yo,
How you doing,
I got my man GQ up in the house, baby. What's the deal, man?
I'm good, man.
Yo, run that camera, bro. Run that camera.
Hey, we all gotta follow GQ, bro. He good people.
Facts.
He riding around all over the place, bro. So you gotta watch him too.
Hey, man, listen. I ain't nobody, man. I'm just trying to do my thing. I got my man Sensei out here, man. Ride Fit Nation.
What up?
Miles, money, and muscles.
Let's go.
In whatever order, as long as you're getting them.
Let's go.
You know
You
what
getting them,
I'm
baby.
saying? So he out here. We got people. I mean, for days out here, y'all.
Oh yeah.
They steady pulling up, man. 21
Oh, yeah.
Sports Crew just pull up. Kelly B just pull up. Ride Fit just pull up. Ripping on two wheel just pull up. Tweeter D just send up. Tyra Tennessee just
Whole
pull
squad.
up. Man, Q from Riding the Wrench just pull up.
Whole squad.
Sam and Susie from
Come on.
Junkies pull up. Man,
Come on.
Like that pull up, man. We out here, man.
Whole squad,
We out
baby.
here, man. We
That's
out
what
here.
it's about.
We are
That's what it's about.
big, man.
My man Kelly B over there. Yo.
You know
Love
we
you,
gonna
bro.
shop up, right?
Love you, bro. Yo. See my man Kel's just pulled up. Yo, nice turnout. Beautiful turnout. What's up, brothers?
How you doing, buddy?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
You all right?
Good.
Pleasure, 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 pleasure.
too, my man.
What's up, brother?
doing?
Nice to see you, man.
Nice to meet you.
What up, brother?
Likewise.
Pleasure,
How you
pleasure.
doing, sir? How y'all doing? How y'all going?
All right, so we got the squad just pulled up here. What up, baby? What up? My man 2147 crew up in the crib. Good to see y'all, man. What's up, Cal? Oh, he on the phone. He on the phone. He recorded. He recording right now.
He's in the mix.
Y'all see it right there?
He recording right now. What up, baby? It's a pleasure, boy. We got my man Kelly B up in here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Got 2147 up
In the house, hey, make sure you go follow my man. He's a good dude. The first time I'm meeting him, I can tell you got good energy. I like that.
Likewise, baby.
I like
Likewise.
that.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, bro.
The Sensei, what's up, bro? Right there, where this dude at, man?
Come on, man. I'm here, man. What up, baby? Nice to see y'all, man. Yo. Huh? Man, I've been good, baby.
I'm glad to see you down here,
Look at my brother right here. Look at my brother right here.
Hey, man. What's up, y'all? Hey, man, y'all go check me out, man. Kelly B. Glide, man. Hey, man, y'all got a good guy right here. This guy here, Sensei, good stuff, man. Good info to help you live a long time. I was just talking to a guy a while ago about my health, trying to live a long time.
Yes,
Trying
sir.
to be here for my grandkids, my wife. But hey, man, y'all do what this man say, man. You live, baby.
And y'all know Kelly B. Y'all get over there, follow Kelly B. You make sure you give him a tap. You say, yo, Kelly, Sensei sent you over here. 2147, follow him. My man, Ripping on Twos, follow him. Riding the Wrenching, follow him. Make sure you get over there, you follow him. You just get in there, all right? And don't forget, my man GQ, you follow him. I'm happy we made it down here, man.
I'm happy you made it.
Man, it's good to be seen too. Beautiful. All right, so we in Bootleggers, Harley Davidson. I never came in here before, but I like the setup. How you doing? Good, good. Hello. I like the setup. What's up, guys? Woo. How y'all doing? Good, good, good. That's what we got.
Bigger top back. Let's stretch back. Let's stretch back on our bike.
Nice collection of stuff. Beautiful collection of stuff. I know Cuz about to go spend some money though. I know he about to go spend some money. He already walking with a mission. He looking.
I'm not buying anything else.
Say that again.
I'm not buying anything else.
He's one of my last videos to get that camera on my face. Do it again.
Get that camera out of my face.
Get that camera on my face.
My thing, bro.
That's gonna be your thing, bro.
1, 2. Got it.
There we go.
Thank you, Sensei.
Appreciate y'all, brothers.
All right,
Good seeing y'all. All right.
All right.
Yo, say what's up to Ride for Nation real quick.
Ride for Nation.
Let's go.
What's up, Sensei?
We out here supporting the brotherhood, your boy right here.
Let's go.
Look at it.
Let's
Yes,
go.
sir.
You know what we're doing. All right, fellas. Peace. Karen. Ooh, that's all right. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What's up, baby? What up?
Not much. I just saw your post.
I saw your post. I said, I know you out here. I know you out here. You good?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, I know. I just see.
Came out with you.
Seven of us. Yeah, we here. All right, yo, we out here. We got so many YouTubers out here right now. Got the whole squad, man. Got lots and lots of power up in here. A lot of motivation, all kinds of people. I mean, when I tell you bikes for galore, I get to see Kong, boy. I get to see Kong. Woo! Oh man, it feels good being out here, man. I wish y'all was here, man. You know I'm trying to bring y'all into the energy. I try to get y'all to flow into the spot, right? These guys escaped from Alcatraz. That's escape prisoner number 1. Look at that face.
Get that camera out my face.
Yeah. Escape prisoner number 2. Exactly. Get that camera out my face. Get that camera out my face. Finally, I finally get to meet this brother right here. It's about time, man. It's about time. What's up, man? How you doing? You all right?
Good to see you, man.
I see you looking good, bro.
I'm trying.
You're looking good, man.
I'm trying. Let's go look at your bike, man. With everybody's wheels are straight, yours are turned. You're gonna be that guy. I can see.
I'm gonna be that guy. I'm gonna be that guy.
How was the ride up?
It was beautiful. The ride was good.
I know it's up.
It was good. It was good. It was really good.
This thing.
Oh, they want to straighten. They want to straighten up.
Yeah, just so it's uniform. By they is me, you know.
Oh. It's Robert's thing.
You know how.
What up, baby? Yo, I see you hitting that gym again,
I'm
man.
not, man.
No?
I'm not. I'm fasting, but I need to get back in the gym.
Okay, you're looking good,
man,
though.
I'm so busy. Thank you, man. You too.
Yeah, my fasting too. What kind of fasting you doing?
I do. What do I do? 6 on, 18 off. So I fast for 18 hours.
Oh, excellent.
For 6 hours.
Intermittent fasting.
Intermittent fasting.
That's right. That's right. There's my brother, Young Cuz, right here. Cuz, you know Robert Simmons, right? You know Robert Simmons.
Thank you, man.
One of my club bros.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Woo!
Look at this pretty mother. Look at this guy's eyes. Don't look him in his eyes, man.
I might transform.
Look him in his eyes.
Might transform. Might transform.
Finesse.
Hey, Robert, these eyes, Rod and Rich's voice and your voice, it's like, man, I feel like I'm in Hollywood.
Where's that sun at? Where's that sun at? Oh yeah, we got better light this way.
Alrighty.
Alright, Ride Fit Nation, what up? We out here live and in person, baby. Got one of my subscribers here. Good brother, we here connecting.
Yes.
I want to tell y'all to get y'all butts out here and start meeting us and being a part of the journey. Get that selfie shot. There we go. Hey, much love, you heard?
Yeah, you too,
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Yeah, I like what you're doing.
Thank you, man.
Love it.
It's a pleasure to be here, too. It's a pleasure to be here.
I wouldn't go miss this.
Man, I thank you. I thank you.
It's nothing.
Man, listen, I got on my bike this morning at like, what time I got up? I got up at 3:30.
Yeah.
And I said, I'm coming out.
Yeah.
We rode about 4 hours. And came in. Where you coming from?
El Paso, Texas.
Oh, my bro.
Yeah.
El Paso, Texas. All right, well, we in Tennessee. So I tell y'all, get on your bikes, get out here and ride. This man came from El Paso, Texas. As a matter of fact, Kelly B over there came from Texas too.
I rode in with them.
That man over there.
Texas too.
See? See? Hey, bro. I love you, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Texas, baby. Came from Texas, man. That's what I'm saying. The love is real, guys. The love is real.
What's up, man?
What up, bro? What up? Let's go. Talk to them, man. Talk to them about the fitness,
man.
Got to
have that fitness in this workout and stuff to keep you healthy. I'm 47, but I don't look like.
Come on, baby.
47.
We're the same age too.
Yeah, good.
We're the same age. Yo, it's a pleasure to see you, bro.
Kelly talking about coming down to Atlanta. He was telling me about it, so
I told him when he come down, man, he got a home.
Yeah, I'm right there in Little Rock, so he always pick me up and we roll.
Oh man, we got a link, bro.
Okay.
We got a link.
All right.
We here.
All right.
All right. Let's go.
We at Bootlegger Hardly
Right
Bakes
here.
again are grateful for you guys
right
being
here.
here.
Yes, sir. My brother right
I want to
here.
read you something.
What's up, baby? Good morning to you, sir. Good morning. Good morning.
And it's pertinent to today. The definition of an influencer is one who exerts influence, a person who inspires or guides the actions of others. So when they say YouTube influencers, that's what I think of. These guys take their time to test products, to do reviews on products, and save you time from having to go through different products to find what works for you. Whether it's bikes, whether it's lights, seats, exhaust, and even as much as low-speed maneuvering and traveling. That is an influencer. And these guys right here, if I had to count the subscribers and followers that all these bikes and these influencers represent, it's in the millions. So my hat's off to you guys for letting us be a part of that. So I'm going to start on the end. John, come up here, man. Tell them about your channel real quick. He's like, oh. John, I hope I ain't going out of protocol with you at all. He's like, no, huh?
Yeah, he kind of caught me off guard. I wasn't ready for this right here. But my channel is, I'm gonna put it like this.